What do you have there? Can you show me your cards? Show Mommy your cards.
Is
that your mitten? Pretty mitten. Yes, it is a pretty mitten. Show Mommy your cards.
Hey, Evangeline, can you give Mommy a hug? Not me. Give Mommy a hug.
Mommy get a hug?
Give Mommy a hug. Not me.
That's your dada. You speak a very nice language.